Once you've entered, you can't go back. Once you've entered, you can't go back. Once you've entered, you can't go back. I'm DJ Tan from Fairbanks, Alaska. This is Axis Picks, Claw Hammers, and Footstools. The place where rock and roll goes to hang out with other rock and roll inclined peoples, things, forces, entities. It's like a cosmic lounge. A cosmic lounge. That's Axis Picks, Claw Hammers, and Footstools. We have found ourselves an oasis of peace and love. My brothers and sisters and everybody else, we shall camp for the night. And what is better camp music? What music is better for the great outdoors than some natural music, some roots music? I'm talking about reggae. But, you know, we need to up it from the roots and slap a little dub in the studio, give it a little dub effects, because we got King Tubby and the Barrett Brothers, and this is 3 cuts from the Pick a Dub album, 2011 reissue. We're going to start out with In the Rain dub. Gonna go on to Black Right, and we're going to finish up with Depth Charge. Depth Charge. And if you're a dub fan, if you're a reggae fan in general, hey, you know what? Bring everybody in the house. Wake up everybody. If there are old folks or young children asleep in the house right now, wake them up. Gather them around whatever device you are using right now. Let's just say it's the radio. Gather them around the radio, the old console radio in the kitchen, and say, you know what, kids, old folks, peoples, here's some roots, some roots dub, some dub roots, some reggae, put through the studio ringer. King Tubby and the Barrett Brothers, In the Rain dub. TUBBY and the Barrett Brothers. In the Rain dub. This is from Pick a Dub, the 2011 reissue, remaster. King Tubby and the Barrett Brothers. Hey, Black Right. Dub control into the valley of Dub. Dub Jungle River Tours. King Tubby and the Barrett Brothers. We're going to wrap it up with Depth Charge. King Tubby and the Barrett Brothers from the Pick a Dub album 2011 reissue remaster. The hidden world of dub, the secret society of dub. Pick a dub, rub a dub, it's dub time. King Tubby and the Barrett brothers started it out with In the Rain dub, followed by BARRETT. We just finished up with Depth Charge from the 2011 remix remaster of Pick a Dub, King Tubby and the Barrett brothers. I'm DJ Fan from Fairbanks, Alaska. And this is Axes, Picks, Claw, Hammers, and Footstools. Home of the hits and the happenings here on YouTube. The place to be, the place to see, the place to do. So do the do, be the be, see the see, and do it here at Axes, Picks, Claw, Hammers, and Footstools, a non-profit attempt to bring rock and roll to the hinterlands and all our boys abroad dollar ships at sea. Wherever the signal goes, that's where we'll be. Because you can't stop the signal and you can't stop rock and roll, and for God's sakes. Why would you even want to? No, you want to stand out of the way and let rock and roll go its own way, you know, and hang on to the eternal playlist and listen with your eyes, listen with your face, listen with your whole head, throw your body into it, you know, your spine's attached to your head, throw your whole back, put your back into it, listen to some rock and roll, and do it now, because now is all we got at Axes, Picks, Claw, Hammers, and Footstools, 24/7. Forever and ever, the home of the hits, the happenings, your rock and roll friend.